All right, so we got a couple estate sales today. This first one's in a really nice neighborhood. I think they're open. Well, they would have opened 8 minutes ago. Got these two things, like a sea lion and a seagull. This guy's cool. Blackfish charm. It's like an orca. That's really cool. What is this made of? Porcelain. This thing's cool. Kind of like that too. It's basket weaved. None of this stuff has a price, so. See this one here, sold for $325. It's this one. We'll see like a small one. So this one looks very much like that yellow one. Sold for $550. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 10 of them. So that'd be over 1,000. Still a little bit more research before we ask any questions. So for your frogs here?
Yes.
I see it says let's talk. Does that mean you're open to offers if I buy them all?
Sure.
Okay. Do you have like a price in mind for just all the...
Well, she went at 115 each. They
Yeah.
go from anywhere from 100 to 1,000 online.
So if I bought them all, what's the price you think?
What are the 1, 2, 3,
The
4,
let's
5,
talk price.
6, 7, 8, 9 of them. Okay.
I think this is that guy that...
How much for all the 9 frogs?
That's a cool guy.
I'll do 1,000. She said $1,000 for all of them.
$1,000 for the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5,
9,
6, 7, 8, 9.
Yeah. This guy is one of them too, right?
I think so. Yeah. $1,000.
Yeah.
Is that... What's 9 times 15? Is that more than asking price then?
Asking me would be 1,035, 1,040.
1,040.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Yeah, this guy by himself is almost $2,000 online.
Oh really? Okay. You said 1,000 for everything?
For all of them, yeah.
Okay. And then it's cash only?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Shoot. Let's do it. I need to go get cash though. I didn't bring that much.
All right, I'll back them up for you.
Okay. Thank you.
He's gonna take them out of grams.
All right, we're paying 1,000 for these things. Could be a mistake.
We'll get this wrapped for you.
All right, thank you. And then I should probably start making a pile up there too. I'm gonna have to come back with more cash because I didn't bring 1,000 with me.
What's wrong with you?
I know, right? I should have came prepared. I'm gonna start a little pile with this other stuff. Thank you. Thank you.
I know to talk, that's why I want to talk through the price. It's like they're...
Is it okay to make a pile on this table right
Yeah,
here?
actually, let's make it on the chair right here.
On the chair, okay.
What's your name?
Matt?
Are you the frog guy?
Yeah. Yeah, I'm gonna...
Yeah, the reason
gonna go
I
pack
have
'em
on
up
the
for
Let's
'em.
Talk is because you can see we
That
look
they're-
that stuff up. That is
they're worth more?
All
Alright, so if you asked me this morning if I was going to be spending $1,000 on some frogs, I probably would have told you probably not. But these frogs, I did a quick search and I mean, they're selling easily $200 a piece, if not a ton more. So I'm going to go to Wells Fargo real quick and take out $1,000 and we're going to buy these frogs. I don't know, I probably should have looked around a little more before I just like jumped the gun and went to get money because obviously there's more people here now. But hopefully we can find some more stuff while we're in there. But yeah, I'm excited for these frogs. Did a little bit more research with Kayla on the phone, and we think that there's one, the one that was like kind of standing up, there's 2 of them. Something very similar to that sold recently for, I think she said $500 or $700. So these things are legit. This Tom whatever is something.
Okay, 10, yep.
Okay, and then I owe you another 30 for those, so
30
I don't have the
for-
exact on that,
That's
sorry.
oh my God.
Did you get
that's
on
it.
the email
No,
list?
just kidding.
I think last time I came to one of your sales I did, yeah.
back on that.
I'm just gonna put these in here because I'm probably gonna shop more, and then I'll just start a new pile with stuff I haven't
Sure, yeah, you might
paid
want
for.
to put that in your car or something.
You think so? Okay.
Well, or you let's put it back over here.
Can I just hide it for a second?
Yeah, kind of hide it a little bit more.
Are you guys selling this? Or?
Actually, no, we are. No, that's the owner. We found it. She was.
Oh, okay. She was looking for it.
For something, and we found that.
Okay. I think I saw another attachment for the GoPro somewhere. I'll bring it if I see it.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah. There's a big old brass one.
I have that little one.
Oh yeah, you do. There was another cool one there before I left.
Oh,
Oh, this frog is cool.
what the heck? He's a big guy.
Yeah, he's porcelain though. I don't think he's anything. This little guy's cool. Little tiny hand painted well. Like that. And I also saw this. It's a little mini England Starbucks mug. Looks like it sells for 16 to 17. And this little guy, I have no idea, but he's cool enough to pick up. I'm worried that I'm gonna forget some stuff here, but I think the rest of this stuff's pretty basic. Like these are really cool, but nothing crazy. This might be a, what's it called? Murano. But it's not marked, and I know they're not always marked. We can do a Google image search on this guy and see what's going on. I'm just gonna do a Google image on this. Okay. Yeah, it's Murano 85. Do you know how much this one is here?
$1,000 now from just now.
Little duck or something, swan maybe.
I know. I probably put a 25 spot on him.
Would you do 20 on it?
What else you getting there? Matt?
Just these two. This is my only pile so far.
So you're 25.
25.
25 with
Okay.
these little things. You want me to put them over there for you?
Yeah.
And I'm sorry, it was Matt, right?
Yep.
25.
Yeah, I
Duck
think-
and or whatever. Yeah, duck and whatever.
Duck and something.
Duck and do.
This one's pretty cool. It's up in the hills. It's probably. How much do you think this house is worth? 2?
Yeah.
2 or 3 million? Couple cool little things over here. What is this? Turbine. Structo. It's pretty cool. It's old.
I know it's old.
Yeah.
A lot of stuff in here is old.
Yeah. Do you have any more old toys like this? Like
I just have Raggedy Ann.
Raggedy Ann? Okay. Nice. Okay. Do you have like a ballpark you're thinking maybe?
$5.
$5. Okay. I'll grab it for 5. Thank you. A lot of jewelry competition here. It's a cool little tracksuit, top and bottom. What else we got in here? What is this stuff? Oh, I can't see. Anti-aging global. I had a question.
Shoot.
All these like perfume things and stuff. Do you know how much you want for these kind of things?
I mean, we're pretty much open to anything, really.
Like, do you have just like if I wanted to buy
Okay.
everything?
You want the whole box?
Yeah, and maybe that one too. I don't know.
No. $20 for everything?
20 for all this stuff.
Everything. Yeah.
Okay.
Whoa, hold on.
Yeah,
Hold
make
on.
sure, check with the boss, but yeah.
I mean, you know, he's gonna take the
Well,
whole
'cause
both
the-
boxes.
Yeah, I know.
I mean, I don't know. Isn't it just?
They're yeah. This
These
is
are all
like
creams. This
like
can go.
anti-aging. Do you know
Yeah.
if they're old or
No,
are they?
they're not. They're not more than a year old.
Oh, okay, so they're not expired
They're
yet.
not
probably.
expired.
Okay,
This can go for 20.
20 for that,
Yeah, that.
and then that.
These are more.
This is shampoo and
usable.
stuff?
These are body gel.
Oh, okay, yeah.
Yeah, so this is a little bit more.
Do you want to do another 20 for that? Or
I would want to do 50 for that because
50 for that.
1, 2,
Okay.
3, 4, 5. Yeah, 50 and so let's do 70 for
70. Okay,
both
I'll
boxes.
for sure get this one. Let me look into this one a
Okay,
little
sure.
bit, and
No
then
problem.
I'll let you know. Thank you. All right, I think I'm just gonna get this one. This probably would be a good deal, but I think these are actually more valuable. Yeah, I'll take all this so far, and I'll try to make it a lot bigger.
Okay.
Let's go take a little peek upstairs to see what they got going. Whoa, look at this furniture. Wow. This stuff's a blast from the past. Yep. I'm upstairs.
So those little truck things, there's, why don't you come out down here real quick?
Let's see.
See if you want them or not. I noticed you already pulled one.
Oh, the Tonka things? Yeah.
So,
Is there more back there?
in this shelf right there.
It's already printed, so
Okay.
Sure.
Is that 50? Is that what that
yeah,
says?
that's
Okay.
cruising art.
Yeah, that's nice.
That's a good one.
That's all seasoned. Seasoned, ready to roll.
Yeah. It's $200 at the outlet.
Oh, wow.
Just don't use it anymore.
How much is this one?
$5.
Do you know if it still works? Or
Yeah, you know what? The
probably
outlet,
not, but maybe.
I don't know. I mean, that was mine.
That's cool. Ready?
Hey, it's yours.
Yeah. I mean, so it worked back in the
Yeah.
when I got it.
Yeah, add it to our pile.
Back to the file.
What's that?
Okay.
Klein tools. Probably Klein's really good, right? Yeah, let's ask him how much he wants for that backpack.
Okay.
Klein tools backpack. How much do you want for that backpack? You think?
Which one? The brown one?
There's a black and green one.
Greeny black.
Oh, the cool one. Oh. $10 for that.
$10. All right, we'll leave it in the pile for now. A couple t-shirts. We got, what is this, Washington DC single stitch. I'm not really sure what all these are. Little Tweety Bird, vintage. 1996 Examiner Bay to the Breakers. And then the last one was this one. I think it's probably the coolest one. Little Tweety cameraman on the official tag. And it's a single stitch. These are the things I already know. So she
Okay.
said 5 on this truck.
Yeah.
And then you said 20 on that, so 25.
Yeah.
How much is that? Or I got this little pile of clothes. How much do you want for that?
$5.
All right, so that's 30 total.
Okay.
These 2 tools.
Did we give you a price?
Yeah, you got 5. So we're 35.
Yeah. 10 for that.
Yeah, so 45, and then
Okay.
I don't know. That's all my dad's stuff. I don't know what he's got really.
$60 for everything.
So
Total.
we're at 45, and then 60 with that stuff.
Yeah. That's
So that's like another 15 for that.
Yeah.
Okay, let me ask him about that because I can't speak for him.
I
But
think
I'll,
that, yeah, okay.
I'll get this stuff for 45 for sure, and then we'll
Yeah.
ask him if he wants to. I'm gonna get you paid for that stuff.
Ah,
now.
okay.
So there's 5. I'm gonna get you 40. There you go. And then I think he's still in there shopping.
Okay.
61 XL. Unfortunately, this one expired in 2019. What's that? Like 4, almost 5 years old now. Let's just see what these go for. Yeah, 40 to 60. These ones are probably also expired that are out of the package. Sold for 40. Is that $1? I wonder how much that is. Turn $1 and that might actually be $2. See what they want for it. I just found this really cool Boston Public Garden 1992 t-shirt. It's on the Hanes Heavyweight single stitch. It looks like it's new old stock. Still got the fold increases and everything.
Yeah.
So we'll see what they want for that. I think we might be ready, Dave.
You ready?
Yeah, so this is all, yeah, all that. $20 work for you? 20? Yeah. I think so, yeah. Cool, thank you. You notice this one had $2 on it, right? Okay, you're adding one more thing?
I'll bottle to it. That's fine.
All right, $20 total.
Hey, how's it going?
I got it now. Still get some money. Thanks, Dave.
All right, Dave, appreciate it. See you, Pam, thank you.
Good luck over there.
Take care, we'll see you soon.
Yeah.
Yes.
you.
Yeah.
See your face.
I'll be around. You want to carry your rig?
I think I got it.
You got it?
Bye.
Okay, you said 1,000 for everything? You know how much this one is here?
This can go for 20.
20 for that. You know if it still works? Probably not, but maybe. Climb tools. Probably climb's really good. Let's get the camera man. Pushing this thing back too. Too short. It's on the clean heavyweight.